You know, guys, there's not enough words. Or either that or I just can't find the words to tell you how I feel when I walk through this forest. The explosion of happiness that I feel inside myself is very overwhelming. It's just very overwhelming. And I know that we all have things to do in our lives. And I'm blessed that I can come in here. And I'm also grateful that I have a phone and that I could video this and show it to you. And hope that one day you can find your forest of happiness. It's so beautiful. And I just look at everything and know that I am blessed. And these trees, we are blessed. It's the simplicity in life. It really is. You can have all the money in the world, but you can't buy this. This is priceless. Once again, I love you. And I can never say that enough either. My heart is full of happiness and abundance that I can bring and show each and every one of you. You are the magic in miracles. You are worthy. You are loved. Until next time.